Making women bankable requires a deliberate shift in how we design financial systems and institutions. It calls for financial products that respond to the resilience and reality of women enterprises, for policies that dismantle structural barriers such as lack of collateral and limited access to assets. This is where partnerships becomes indispensable. Government alone cannot deliver this transformation. It requires a coordinated effort bringing together financial institutions and private sector to de-risk investment, expand access to capital, and unlock opportunities for women-led enterprises to grow at scale.
All the small businesses, all the big businesses, when everything is working, we are living in a much better country. The graduation should give us boldness. With that boldness, what do you need to do? Is to live your full dream.